Are you facing frustrating technical issues with your Mac or Windows computer? Or maybe a network problem is slowing you down? Do you need to migrate your website or emails? Is your WordPress website hacked, malware affected? Or maybe you need to optimize your WordPress website security? Don't worry, you are in the right place. I can help you with that. Hi, I'm Ahmed Imtiaz, a Google certified IT professional with over 6 years of experience in a busy corporate office. I'm here to make your tech life easier with remote IT support, WordPress security issue or hack issue, website migration and email migration. It can be Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. And yes, I can also be your virtual meeting host for webinar or Zoom meetings, technical support. If you have any question or need my support, please let me know. Thank you so very much, and I look forward to connecting with you in my inbox. See you there.